Welcome to part 2. We'll be now testing the actual kit before installing. So what I've realized is when you look at a conventional plug socket, there's not a lot of space between the plug socket and the next one. So what I'm going to have to do just for test purposes is remove this one and then plug this in. It's going to be upside down. And we're in. Right. Okay. So I'm just going to pan the camera to one side to give you a better view. And we're going to turn the power on. Oh, it's flashing. It's quite loud. So I'll have that come on. So that's the volume. Doorbell sounds. Yeah. Okay, that's a bit annoying. That's very loud, very loud. Right, okay. Let's focus out. Now, about this. Doorbell ringer. So, how to open it? It's fairly straightforward. I get why they've given the screwdriver a flat head. You need to find the little hole. Push it in. And you pull up. That's all. That lifts up. So now to install the battery. I'm going to place this down. Just open it out the packet. And there you got the battery. Should just go. Oh, nice little light up. Let's turn it back on. So once the light goes, it's connected. It's just connecting to the device. I think. Okay, there's no sound. So that clearly works. Press it. So what I've noticed is there are 3 modes. If I press it once, you get the light as well as the sound. Now if I press it again, you just get the sound only. And if I press it again, it's just the light only. So there are 3 options. There's light and sound, sound only, and light only. Cool, so it does all work. Last thing I need to mention is I found the mounting brackets. for the screws. They haven't made the holes, but they've put 2 pointer guiders here to drill onto the wall. So I'll show you how to do that in a bit. For this installation, I'll be using a drill and I'll be using a Phillips head. What I've done is pre-drilled the 2 holes, and I'll be mounting this somewhere on the door.